Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. Let us see what is coming up, guys. We'll be picking a few cards from the Wisdom Oracle deck, guys. So, this is for your daily energies. So, this card may relate to your work situation or your relationship. This is for your work situation or career, and this is for your relationship, guys. So we'll turn the cards as we proceed into the reading, Leos, for your daily energies. Deep knowing. Leos, with this card, the oracle's guidance for you all, guys, is that today you may be hypersensitive. Maybe your intuition will be heightened. You will feel a gut feeling towards certain decisions, maybe in your relationship or in your work situation. You may feel guidance in your some decisions you want to take. Some projects or some deals, whatever it is. So when you listen to that intuition and when you take that risk and act based on that, you will reap, you will make great profits. That is what I see here. So you are reaching towards the deepest level of your intuition, guys. So you just have to listen. Whatever you want to know, whatever answers you want to get, you just have to ask the questions within yourself and you will find the answers. So that is how this works. So you are heading towards that intuitive guidance today, guys. And maybe even in this relationship, you feel that even at the first time when you met this person, you would have felt some kind of a deep connection. So this person is guided towards you, or you are guided towards them through your intuition. So you may connect with them at a deeper level, uh, and your connection is simply impossible for you to speak out in words, because you share that great understanding with this person. So that is the reason for this connection, guys, your intuition. So you need to trust your heart and trust your intuition. So wherever it leads you in your career or in your relationship, things will begin to manifest, guys. Positive things will begin to manifest. That is what I see here with this card, Leos. So let us see what is the card for your career. Chaos and conflict. With this card, Leos, the energy is that for your work situations, things may not be going according to your expectations. You may see failures, some delays, suspensions in your career or in your business. So circumstances are chaotic, but what is happening now is just things are shaking up so violently that whatever is not working for you, so all that is leaving you, and whatever is going to be for the better of you, those things will stay with you. So in life, your situation in your work, it may relate to some projects or your character itself. So you are changing so much because of this chaotic situation, the struggles that you're facing today. So these are necessary, guys. So everyone's journey is unique, and in our journey there are lots of ups and downs, just like happy times. How happy times leave what to say, a happy memory in ourselves. Sad times leave a memory the same way. So when we look back at those memories, happiness and sadness, we would have learned so much through those experiences. So these struggling times are necessary in our life. So only when we go through struggles, we will know uh, what uh, what is that thing that is really essential for us. So we will have that knowledge about things, the true situation. We will know the truth about any situation. So this timing is perfect. So whatever is happening, it's meant to happen. So this time is really valuable, guys. You need to be clearly aware of the struggles that you're facing in your life, and when you go through this phase with that complete awareness, you will know, you will have a deeper understanding about your situation, guys, what struggles you're going through, and you will be able to find the correct solution for it. So don't waste this time, guys. That is what I see here with this card, Leos. Let us see what is the card for your relationship, guys. Between worlds. Leos, with this card for your relationship, guys, things are taking a dramatic change. So you feel that you don't know which way you're going. You are facing lots of confusions, guys, regarding this relationship. You don't know what is the energy between you and this person that you share this relationship with. So you are not certain about anything, you are not firm about anything. So it is a time for you to be curious where this relationship is going to take you, and view this relationship with a childlike wonder. When you do that, you won't feel disappointed, because if you have a firm set of ideas about how this relationship is to proceed, you will surely feel some kind of loss and disappointments, guys. So you need to allow yourself to explore. So this is the time for you to get a clear understanding about yourself, what you like, what you dislike, what are your what values are important to you, and this is a very critical phase of your relationship. So maybe you are in confusions about this person, what this person likes, what they do not like, and to have a better understanding, you should not hurry, you should not what to say move in haste. You should be mindful of your expectations. So this is not a time to uh, firmly have that conviction in this relationship. So things will not go as you planned. So we have to just wait and see how things are changing, guys. So you are right in the middle, right on the wall. So you need to hold to the state and just expect the unexpected to come your way. So that is the energy with this card, Leos, for your relationship. So overall, I see here that you are feeling some kind of confusion and struggles, guys, for you all today. So you need to have that guidance, guys. You need to reach out for that intuitive guidance. This was your card for your daily energy. So you need to have reach out for that guidance that is there in you. So you need to ask questions deep within yourself, and you will surely get the answers that you expect to get, guys. So when you touch your inner self, when you touch your inner truth, you will feel that guidance for your work situation or your relationship, guys. So that is the oracle's message for your Leos. Thank you for watching, guys. So you need to trust your heart to lead the way for you today, guys. That is the reading for you all, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading, Leos. If you like this reading, if it resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. Bye, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.